Is option trading worth the risk? Namaste, my name is Arghadeep and welcome to another finance video. The key factor in this debate is risk management. आपका risk management अच्छा होना चाहिए. You should know how to manage the risk. So if you have a very good risk management and you know how to properly manage the risk, absolutely yes. Because in options trading, the amount of profit you can make on an X amount of investment is a lot more than normal cash market trading. You can trade options either by buying options or by selling or writing options. Both have their ups and downs. Let's take Reliance for example. One lot of Reliance in future and option has 250 units of Reliance. And like I said in the previous video, an option is made. Option is a financial instrument that is made by keeping the actual asset as an underlying determination factor. So the future and option of Reliance, the 250 units in a lot are future and option instruments that's made by keeping the actual Reliance stock as the underlying factor. In one lot of future and options, you get 250 units of Reliance. Now when I'm shooting this video, Reliance is at 2597. So if you multiply 2597 times 250, it's around 6.5 lakhs. And today is 18 November. So if you buy 2600 call option for Reliance, one lot of Reliance will cost only around 6100 rupees. That's almost like 1% of 6.5 lakhs, even less than that. If you don't want to buy November Reliance option, instead you want to write November Reliance option or sell, it will cost you around 1.2 lakhs. A little bit less, but around 1.2 lakhs. Now, let's say the trading amount you will put on a trade is 6.5 lakhs. Trader A buys 250 units of Reliance at 2597 in the cash market. So in 6.5 lakhs, he receives 250 shares of Reliance. Now let's say Reliance moves up from 2597 to 2700. That's a raise of 103 rupees. So let's, for the ease of calculation, consider as rupees 100. When he sells, Reliance has moved by 100 rupees. So he is making a profit of 100 rupees per share. So trader A who bought 250 shares of Reliance in normal cash market for his allotment of 6.5 lakhs, he will make a profit of 250 multiplied by 100, 25,000. So when Reliance moves up by rupees 100, trader A makes 25,000 profit in his 6.5 lakh investment. And also let's say, for example, say that Reliance jumps by rupees 100 in the last week of November, because at every Thursday, options expire, futures expire, right? So trader B, he will trade options. He will buy Reliance options, right? One lot of Reliance option, November 2600 CE, cost around 6100 rupees. Let's say for calculation's sake, it cost around 6500 rupees. So trader B can buy 25,000 units of Reliance because he has 6.5 lakhs to trade. So if one lot costs 6500 rupees, multiply that by 100 is 6.5 lakhs. So 250 into 100, 25,000. And let's say when Reliance jumps by 100 rupees, trader B can make 1000 rupees profit per lot. Yes, it actually happens like that. Option is very rewarding as well as very risky. So let's say, for example, say trader B makes 1000 rupees profit when Reliance moves up by 100 rupees. So how many lots he has? Trader B has 100 lots, right? So in one lot, if he makes 1000 rupees profit, in 100 lots, he is making 1 lakh rupees profit. So see, trader A in that same trade made 25,000 rupees, but trader B trading option in that same trade made 1 lakh rupees profit. That's the upside of options trading. You can make a lot of more money in the same trade than just trading it in the cash market. On the downside, if the trade went against them, trader B would have lost a lot more money than trader A. Like I said, if you know how to manage the risk properly, option trading is absolutely worth it. Now there's also another type of option trading, that's option selling. See, the difference between option buying and option selling is, statistically, option buyer has 25 to 30% chances of winning. And when he wins, his return on investment will be a lot. And there comes option sellers, whose winning chance are above 85 to 90%, even more. They have a lot more probability to win, but they're not going to win that much. So both option buying and option selling has their own pros and cons. Option buying is extremely risky as well as extremely rewarding. See, अगर आपका risk management उतना सही नहीं है, तब option selling कर भी सकते हो. Because 250 shares of Reliance cost 6.5 lakhs, right? Those same one lot in option selling will cost you around 1.1 lakh. So you can buy 6 lots if you are selling options. देखिए, अगर आपको इस मेंटालिटी में करना ही है तो आप फ्यूचर्स करिए ना. You trade futures. We'll discuss futures on another video. Make sure subscribe Finance for that. If you know how to manage the risk, because as an option buyer, you have to accept that you have a lot less chance of making a profit on a consistent basis. You have to accept that. That's the truth. That's the fact. So if you want to buy options because of those attracting profits, you should know how to manage your risk so that all the times you lose, your actual trading fund does not get affected much. And when you win big. In my opinion, what I gained from a little experience in trading, I think an option buyer has two ways to make money. Number one, right? He should trade less and he should trade on absolutely high probabilities. So in that way, he erases a lot of chance of losing, right? अगर आप trade करोगे नहीं तो आप loss कैसे खाओगे? So that's one way of going for option buying. Another way is having a very good strategy with an extremely high win rate of over 70%. Imagine if you have a strategy that has over 70% win rate, you are winning 7 out of 10 times. That's so good. That's unbelievably good. And you should have a risk reward of at least 1:1.5 plus. You are risking 1 rupees to gain 1.5. It's a very good strategy. So in my opinion, an option buyer should trade in either of these two ways. Either he should trade so less that his chances of loss are minimized, and when he wins big, or he should have a winning strategy that has over 70% win rate and a massive and an excellent risk reward ratio of 1:1.5 plus at least. See, the thing about risk management is, when I started trading, I had 40,000, 50,000 rupees in my demat account. I traded only one lot. Maybe, theoretically, it's not a good risk management. It can be even better. But yeah, I was okay with that. I could cope with that. I could cope with the losses, I could manage the losses, I could take the losses. Risk management varies from person to person. There are certain foundational things that everyone should follow. You should never ever risk more than 5% in a trade. The most ideal situation is 1%, 2%. Ideal because see, you are losing, okay, chalo, 2% of your capital gone, that's it. 5%, you would imagine 5% is extremely high. In one trade, you will lose 5% of your fund. But yeah, a lot of traders, especially new traders who don't have a lot of fund, they take that risk. I also took that risk. So for me, with a 50,000 rupees demat account, I used to trade Nifty, Bank Nifty options one lot. Yeah, I was okay with the risk. If you have 50,000 rupees and if one lot, let's say one lot of Bank Nifty costs 10,000 rupees in the money, you should never buy 5 of them, 50,000. Put your entire money in one trade. That's absolutely idiotic. So yeah, if you are buying options, first and foremost thing of you is to learn proper risk management. Number 2, improve your psychology so much that you trade only once or twice a week when you have extremely good probability, or find a strategy like our FIINANCED Indicator X1 that has win rate of over 70% and a risk reward ratio of 1:1.5 plus. Find a good strategy so that even if you lose, you win more times, that you become profitable on the run. Yeah, these are the two ways you should go if you want to buy options. There is an old saying कि अगर आप फ्यूचर और ऑप्शन ट्रेड करोगे तो आपके पास ना ऑप्शन रहेगा ना फ्यूचर. ये एकदम बकवास है. अगर आपको रिस्क मैनेजमेंट आता है तो जो लोग ये बोलते हैं कि फ्यूचर ऑप्शन करने में आपको पास ना ऑप्शन रहेगा ना फ्यूचर रहेगा, आप उनसे बहुत ज्यादा कमा पाओगे स्टॉक मार्केट से. सो डोंट लिसन टू ऑल दोस स्टूपिड प्रोवर्ब्स. बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ, वर्क हार्ड, learn risk management, learn a proper strategy and trade, and also have a strong psychology, because in options you should have the gut. When you are trading options, when you are buying options, you should have the gut to take those big losses, because when you will take those big losses, you will be able to take those big profits. So you should have the guts. If you guys like this video, follow Financed, subscribe to our channel. See you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.